What's up, everybody? Alexo Crypto. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Shout out to you guys. Thank you for joining me. I just want to say we have been heading downwards. We have. Yes, we have. Let's F11 this so it's full screen for you guys. And hey, where are we going? Where are we going? Well, I just got to call into Mr. Otter and just say, let's dump it because we're making Otters great again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to these daily videos. We have updates, we have prices, we have levels every single day, and we're only giving you the best. We're giving you everything for free, and we're here just having fun, securing the bag, and having a good time with fresh minds, risk management, and all that stuff. So we're going to get into the charts. We're going to look what's happened. We've got a little bit of a dump, right? So let's get into the lower time frames. Right now, you can see on the daily, it's coming down since we had this giant wick up to 18.3. And guess what? All this Fed news and this hopium of we're going back up to this new level, well, it's just been diminished. It's just been crushed, right? So we're going down to the 4 hour. We can see we got this move up, and as we can see, we've been rejected and rejected. And even if we go over into the stock markets, it's also very negative, right? Yes, inflation has been cooling off in the last rate hike, but no, we still are having interest. There's still things going on with the economy, and we don't know where Bitcoin's going to land. Is it going to continue down? Well, that's what we're going to trade here. Right now, I am in a short. I am in profits, and I'm doing all right. I'm not doing what this guy does, because before crypto, I used to sleep like a baby. But now, I sometimes check the charts in the middle of the night. But let's get back into it. I am short. I shorted up here at around 17.4. Let me see if I can pull that up for you guys quickly, just to prove that we ain't messing around at this channel. We're actually full on legit. And if we go here, we have the short right here, entry price 17,388 right there. So getting back to this, hopefully I didn't show too much there. I don't know, but I'm sharing it with you because you deserve the best. You deserve the best. So what's next? Right? So we zoom in, we turn up the energy, and we get excited, right? Because no matter what, there's going to be more trades. Let's not revenge trade. Let's keep our level-headedness, right? And I got my squeaky chair, so I'm going to switch it out right now, mid video, right? Oh, this one's a lot smoother. And I can center myself better. Oh, that's my missus chair. So my missus, just for a quick brief moment, we'll get right back into the charts. My missus, look at this. Otter Gang, okay? This is an otter, right? Still got the schlong, short and long. This is an otter. It's an iron-on patch. So in the comments below, just let me know, what should I iron the otter to? What hat, shirt, whatever, toque we call them in Canada, hoodie, what should I iron it to? Comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into this. So I'm going to pull up all of my information here, and we can go down to the 1 hour. We're going to turn on what we have here, and guess what? We have levels, right? We have levels that have been respected. Right when we came down from this dump here, I was looking at the charts and I'm like, you know what? It's very negative. 17K is our next stop. Well, where do we come down to? 17K, little stop, and we continue down. Now, I did say that in the Discord. My new Discord that I'm starting is in the description below. So if you're not part of that, come over and hang out with us at the Otter Gang. Lots of stuff going on there. Trying to get that fired up and started for you guys. But what's happening next? What can we look for next? Well, psychological support and this beautiful golden pocket here. Now, you can see that I have them marked out in red, not purple, because they're more significant, right? They're more significant because I've pulled fibs from lower time levels to give me confluence throughout this. So if I pull from down here to up here, well, guess what? We got confluence in this one here. It's also been a very respected low since we had this move up back here in November November 30th, we had this big pump, right? And we haven't come below that pump since November 30th. We haven't been trading down underneath this level. So we haven't broken this since November 30th. So psychologically, we're going to come down to this level, but we could have a retracement here. Here is a good area for a retracement. Now, I'm not saying a market reversal. I'm saying retracement. So I'm saying that we can come down to one of these key levels of support and come back up, right? Now, are we going to make higher highs? I don't think so. But I do believe that we can come back up. So I believe that this is a great area to be taking profits, right? And hopefully, we can let this come back up. And you know what? Pull another fib from up here to down here, which we'll show you today, and get back into that trade, right? Or maybe we can find some beautiful bullish divergences and ride this up and take that trade. So we'll look into that. But first, remember, we haven't been below this area since the 30th of November, right? So it's been a couple weeks, right? Christmas is on the way. Who knows? We could get that Santa rally that they're all talking about. So be prepared for that. Let's jump further into the charts. Now, if you haven't marked out these levels on your chart, all these levels here that I give for free on a daily basis, they're Fibonacci, they're confluence, they're point of controls, they're volume profiles. All these are very important levels, and they're given away for free. So I hope you enjoy these levels because they've been really respected. Look, boom, right down to the level, right? Trading in here, we drop down to this level, right? We punched through the psychological 17K, right? Now we're down here, right, hovering, right? Can we flip that? So we're going to pull a fib from the top of this beautiful little fake out pump that we had down to here. Well, guess what? That gives us a new level. I will take this, I will shrink it into this beautiful level because that's where, if we're going to retrace, we're going to probably come here or the 0.5, right? The 0.5 is a very, very good retracement level as well, especially with this much of a downtrend, right? So this has changed. So this will come down here, right? Because we've blown out this bottom of this. We've punched right through. So now I'll be looking, if we do retrace, to come up to here, right? Now, what is my thinking? My thinking is retracement, back up, and come back down naturally, right? If we continue to see the volume spike, we've had higher highs and lower lows, right? So that is also a bullish divergence. So we gotta be aware. We've gotta zoom into these charts. We gotta have good risk management. Yeah, we can fire off a long as long as we have good risk management. Yeah, we can fire off a short as long as we have good risk management. Now, what will I be looking for? I'm looking for a little long scalp here. I'm not looking for it to come down to the point of control just yet. We haven't broken through this level. Like I said, we haven't come back down to this point of control, this 16.5 level. I can see 16.7. I can see 16.8, but I don't see 16.5. I don't see us getting below this just yet, right? We have a yellow X on the 5, right? We got to flip through all these time zones and get confluence, right? What do we have? See, we don't have any yellow X's printing on the higher time frames. I wouldn't trust that fully, right? We can't just look at X's and diamonds and circles and, you know, we got to have a bunch of strategies, support and resistance, volume profiles, Fibonacci retracements, right? Market sentiment. Which first thing you got to ask yourself is, am I feeling okay? Like, what is my mindset around all this stuff? And how can I trade these levels with good risk management and a good plan every time I come to the charts? That's what we preach here, is to have a plan when we come to the charts with high levels of risk management and a good mindset around trading. Then you can go in with courage and you can manage your risk, right? That's how the Otter Gang does it. That's how we extract money from these easy to trade markets if we just have some discipline and some risk management. So, like I said, can we continue down? Of course, we can continue anyway. But with respect to the levels and with confluence, can I get some lower lows with some higher highs? So something like this, these beautiful uneven butt cheeks, right? That print like this. And then we get bingo bango, right? Boom, boom. And we're in business, right? We're in business. So this is something I'll be looking for, maybe even on lower time frames. Because I'm sure if we go down to the 3, like if we're really scalping, right? We can trade these, right? But I'm looking for divergences mostly. We got lower lows, right? We got higher highs, right? So you could trade this, right? But we got the yellow X thing. Oh, maybe you want to think about that. So, risk management, be safe out there. And remember, we're all here to help each other. We're all here as a community to grow out of love and respect for one another. You know, everybody out here, I'm a carpenter by trade, and we're out here trying to extract from these markets, right? Trying to be free from that 9 to 5, trying to provide for our families, trying to do things the right way. So hopefully you got something out of this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys. Peace out.